you hear the word constraint, do you recoil, associating it with all the negative things that stop you from getting what you want? What if you embrace the word and regard it as the most significant companion on your path to glory? Welcome to The Systems Thinker, a video series to help you know the whole, focus on the constraint, and reach your goal. No matter who you are, you'll never have enough resources to do everything you want. Life is not about making a choice that delivers only positive outcomes. It's about choosing what you want to do amongst the many options and assessing the trade-offs inherent in that choice. Take time as exhibit number 1. None of us has all the time in the world, so we must all choose what to do with our allotment. To live a good and beautiful life, we can only hope to get those choices more right than wrong before we hop the twig. Getting the most out of what we have depends on paying attention to the quality of questions we ask of ourselves, our teams, and our organizations as we go about our business. In their book, A Beautiful Constraint, Adam Morgan and Mark Barden talk about propelling questions. A properly constructed propelling question has two components, an ambitious goal and a significant constraint. In other words, formulate a problem that can't possibly be solved with today's ways of working. A relative example for our age might be, how do we protect our shared environment and lift the prosperity of all? The most common response to the question is that the constraint is the amount of fossil fuel we can burn to generate the energy needed to power the economies delivering the prosperity for all. The starting place for answering such a question is to abandon the can't because mindset and switch it out for a can if. For example, we can't because the carbon generated from the fossil fuels on which our prosperity depends is precisely what destroys nature and our environment. We can if we learn how the trade-off from fossil fuels can be made throughout the end-to-end life cycle for nuclear fuels, fail-safe, intrinsically secure, and cost-competitive. My course for systems thinkers explores how to use the principles of propelling questions to deliver consistently high-performance results. To learn more and experience what I mean, click the link in the comments below.